Instagram Reels has just updated and you're now able to edit your Instagram Reel templates. Before, you really had no control. The template was as is, you couldn't add anything, but now you can use templates and then go in, fine tune, edit your templates so that they fit your needs. Hi, I'm Ida, a corpus storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level? But when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. And so to access your templates, you're just going to go to the plus sign, you're going to go into Reels, and when you go to make a new reel, templates are going to be right there. So you can select which template you want to use. Let's say this one. Sure, it has a bunch of photos. I could just press add media. And now I'm just going to add a bunch of clips in here. Here's a bunch of clips from my bike ride. Whoa, there's a lot of clips in this one. There! Once it goes gray, that means that's the last clip. You can click on it and change which one you want at the end, or you can adjust it later as well. So don't worry about it. So now once you're done, you're going to press next. Wait for it to load. Oh, that's cool. Lovely. Now, this is where the fun part comes in. So when you press next, your video can be done, or you can swipe up, or press the edit video button, or just swipe up, and you're going to see the editor. This is going to allow you to, let's just pause this. You can press pause and play right there in the corner. I usually like to pause it while I'm editing because otherwise it gets really annoying. So now you can actually fine tune and go in and edit all this. So you can use your fingers to pinch in and start to see this a little bit better. You can click on any of the clips and then adjust the section of the video. So I can press play so I can see it. Of the video it's going to show. You can click on the clips. If you see, when I moved to the next clip, I wasn't able to see the clip. That's because this white indicator line, that's what's going to show up in the preview. So unless you have the clip that you're currently in on that white indicator line, that line going straight down, you're not going to be able to see it in your preview in the top. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm just going to adjust my section. Okay, done. And then let's adjust this one. Oh, I see, I had that boat in the beginning. Let's say I want to zoom in on this one a little bit. I can. I'm just going to click on that clip and then crop, and then I can just pinch it and zoom into a specific part. I can rotate it. I can even zoom out so it doesn't fill the entire screen. Say you just do too much and you're like, just press reset if you don't want to do that one. But this allows you to have full control over it. You can even add text to templates that you've created. So say, for example, I want to add a text to this. So I just press add text. There we go. And then I can actually indicate which part of my reel is going to show that. And then I can go a step further. I can even have the text speak. So text to speech. And they just added a bunch of cool new voices. I'm currently loving this megaphone.
You can add text to templates.
Lovely. Or you can use radio voice.
You can add text to templates.
Or the robot, whatever you want. You can even add your logo. So say, for example, I want to add my logo to this. I'm just going to go to stickers and see this circle with a photo in it. I'm just going to click on that. Select my logo. I can put my logo to the side. See these indicators? They're showing me what's going to be cut off if somebody views it on a different surface. So I strongly suggest that you keep whatever text or graphics you have in that area. And then see here at the bottom, I can adjust which part of that video. Let me just pinch this to zoom in. It's going to have that text up here. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, Messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace!